Each login has a specific role. The first role we will demonstrate is the data entry role. When someone logs in, if that account has the role of data entry, they will see a Participants tab. From here, they can enter a new participant by entering a participant ID, also known as a study ID. By clicking New Participant, a New Participant tab will appear. Here, the data entry person enters all the fields relevant to the participant. All the fields are configurable and can be tailored to the specific requirements of the study. The data entry person can click Save Details and then click Addresses to add the residential history. Enter all the details for each residential record. Click Save Addresses to save the details. And add multiple addresses by clicking Add Address. Click Save Addresses and then close the tab to view the Personal Details tab. To view the residential history, click the Refresh button. To add the occupational history, click on the Jobs button. A new tab will open and the data entry person can enter all the job details for that job. You will notice that the Personal Details tab is distinguished by its suffix being P0. The Job Details tab are distinguished by a suffix of J and the sequence number of the job. Add multiple jobs by clicking the Add Job button. Save the job details and close the Job Detail tabs. Click the Refresh buttons to show the residential and occupational history added. Confirm all is good and update the participant status accordingly and save the details. That completes the demonstration of the data entry role. Now to demonstrate the allocator role. Log in with a username and password that has been assigned the allocator role. The system will warn you like this if the details are incorrect. The allocator will see the list of records. The allocator can click the Refresh Mapping button to view the current job allocations of this participant. The study IDs use the suffix P0 for the participant record. The suffix for the job records are J and the sequence number of the job. The allocator can click on the View Details button to view the full details of the participant. The allocator can modify participant status as well as comments about the participant. The changes can be saved by clicking Save Details. The Job Allocations button will open the tab for performing the remaining job allocations. The allocator can choose the appropriate questionnaire for each job and assign a priority. This study is also configured to allow the allocator to indicate the Australian and New Zealand Standard Classification of Occupations number, also known as the ANSCO number. Then click Update Job Allocations to save the job mappings and close the tab. By clicking on the Participants tab, the allocator can click the Refresh button to see the job mappings and the priorities set for the interviewer. That concluded the demonstration for the allocator role. Lastly, we will demonstrate the interviewer role. When the interviewer logs in and clicks the Refresh Interview Links button, they will see URL links to navigate them to the correct questionnaire which was previously mapped by the allocator. By clicking the Participant Details button, they can see the full details of the participant. This study has been configured to have the interviews run from Qualtrics. The interview can refer back to the full participant details if they need to confirm details entered by the data entry person about the job or residential history. The interviewer will run through the interview using Qualtrics as normal. When notified by Qualtrics that the interview is complete for that questionnaire, the interview will return back to the interview links to perform the next priority interview. If the full list of interviews cannot be completed, the interviewer can update the status and click the Save Details button to record details. That completes the interviewer role demonstration.